Apple announces macro photography shot on iPhone challenge 2022, encouraging users to submit impressive photos with the iPhone 13 Pro and 13 Pro Max's macro mode. That's a cool idea. I always feel like macro goes underappreciated. A lot of people, like the feature would be there and then people wouldn't use it or even know it exists or realize that what kind of cool things you can do with it. Of course, since we've been shooting gadgets for ages, we goofed around with macro on a number of occasions. In fact, you wanted to switch my lens back to the macro lens. You felt like that, even though we wouldn't be using it in a macro fashion. Entrants can submit unedited, got to be unedited, macro photos straight from the camera app, but those photos edited through Apple's photo app or third-party software will also be accepted. What? Unedited. Oh, okay, I guess. What? Entrants can submit unedited photos or edited photos. There's no rule against it. Got it. Well, I would say edit it then. I would think that would be your best potential to win the thing. Participants must be 18 years of age or older, and the challenge is not open to Apple employees or their immediate families. No inside jobs. Steve Jobs, inside job. I apologize.
Uh-oh.
What do you win? What do you win, Will? What do you win?
A high five?
No. Hang on. Winning photos will be celebrated on Apple's newsroom, website, Instagram account, and more. Apple also said that winning photos may appear in the company's digital campaigns, such as in Apple. So it's kind of like they're so rich they can't give you 10 grand for the best photo.
Yeah, it's just more exposure, I guess.
It's like a resume type deal. Oh, well, okay, all right.
Yeah.
Apple's updated person. I mean, if you launch your career off of it, I guess it's worth more than 10 grand. But who knows?